go.
Hey, Brookie.
What is that?
What is that? What is that?
That's yours.
It's a Christmas present.
From who?
That's from Nikki.
Nikki Claus.
How do we get it open?
Mommy might have to help her.
I don't know. Hitting it works. Here, look. Whoa.
Or writing it. Writing it works too.
You're going to have to man this if I'm going to help her, because I can't. I almost didn't get that on video. All right. Look here. Look over here. Look here. Here. Brookie. Yay! Keep pulling. Pull. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Yay! Keep going.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what is that?
I think she's more excited about the wrapping paper.
What's this?
Turn it around so she'll pull the paper off. Pull it off, Brookie. Open it. Yay!
Yay! What's that? What's this? We got a drum.
Uh-oh.
Yay!
Thanks, Nikki.
Let's see what it does.
She knows what to do.
Yay! Say thank you, Miss Nikki.
Brooke, look over here.
Brooke, say thank you, Miss Nikki.
Thank you.
Yay!
Back to the paper she goes.